Hello, in front of me I've got Potensic ATOM 2. In this video I'll show you how to calibrate controller. To calibrate the controller, let's go to Potensic App and Settings, enter Calibration and go to Remote Controller Calibration. Ensure the control sticks are in the middle position and refrain from operating the remote controller until you tap Start. Now move the control sticks in direction until the screen displays 100%. Then rotate dial back and forth. And it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.